Okay, so in this video we're going to look at a new technique called setw, which will allow us to line up our output and have control over the output. So in this program here, I'm mimicking this exact bingo card. So you can see it's a table with rows and columns. So I thought this would be a good example for lining up columns here. So this is my C++ version of that same bingo card. And you can see that the numbers are aligned nicely in their columns. Okay, so and also the bingo is spaced out evenly. So we'll look at how we can accomplish that. We're going to be using setw quite a bit. I'll use it in the next couple of videos as well, the next couple of programs. It is something that students kind of struggle with, but with enough practice, you'll get the hang of it eventually. So first of all, you need IO_manip up at the top. So I don't know if I said this in the previous video, but it might be a good idea for the time being to just always include these 3 header files up at the top. These are the ones that we'll be using in probably almost every program. So just go ahead and include those all the time. And okay, so setw is short for set width, and we're setting the field width of the printed value. Okay, so in this program, I just set every field width to 5 characters. So that starting here, this is the first instance of setw. I set the width to 5 characters, and then the B is printed. Okay, and then I set the width to 5 characters, and then the I is printed, and so on throughout the whole program. So I'm setting the field width to 5 characters for every single printed thing in this program. So, and I mean, that's really it. Like I said, I'll use this again in later programs, and I'll mix it up a little bit so it's not so monotonous as this one, but here you have it. So like that, and the default is for the text to be right aligned, and you can see that B, for example, if we were to look at the width of this printed field here, it's 5 characters and the B comes last. And then we have another 5 characters and then the I, and then setting the width to another 5 characters and then the N, and so on. So the default is right alignment in the field. There is a way to change that. I'll do it in another video, but this is your introduction to setw, to set that field width and have control over the spacing in your output.